Well, how's it going, everybody? Dan here, out working in the shop. Decided to take a detour. Have a close friend of mine who's a 58 Pontiac enthusiast. He's actually only a couple of miles away from me, so pretty happy to know the guy. Um, he has been helping me out with my Safari quite a bit with parts and knowledge and so on and so forth. So I decided to help him out with some bucket seat repairs. He purchased a set of old 58 Pontiac uh, Chieftain, or I believe they're Bonneville seats, seat pans for the front of a Bonneville, and they were pretty beat up and patched up. But I'm gonna clean them up and do some minor repairs on some of the bad spots on these seat covers or seat backs and pads. So let me turn the camera here. Okay, so we got this corner was really bad. They had tried to weld up these cracks in the corners here. Frankly, the weld wasn't great, and the metal was pretty fatigued, I guess, around the edges of the weld. So I'm going to do a nice full bead across these. I had to actually cut the tab here. So here, let me move this a little bit. Bear with me here. I'm trying to do this with my eyes closed. You can see it moves a little bit. So I got to straighten that out, do a nice weld, clean these up. These are extremely rare seats, seat pans, very hard to come by and very expensive, so I'm going to treat them right. You can see there's some dents in various places here. I'm going to pull all those out and do some hand sanding, and there's one there you can see in the center of your screen. I got to get that out, and some general scuffs and scratches, but we're also going to put some rust treatment on the inside that's never seen, just to keep them from rusting. But again, trying to help this gentleman out, close friend of mine, and do some extra work for him for all the stuff he's done for me. But at the same time, you may have seen in the beginning of the video here, I have a 57 Ford F-250, also a very rare vehicle, my son-in-law, and I put the 302 V8 in it here just recently, last weekend as a matter of fact. So got some more parts to get, and we're working on that. And of course the 58 is in there too. So anyways, just thought I'd jump on and say hey, hope all of you are having a great beginning of your new year. Otherwise, we'll catch up with you soon. Thanks a lot, and thanks for following. Make sure you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. It'd be great to have you join along. Take care. Cheers.